Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this easy guide on Marvel Snap. This incredibly fun and strategic digital collectible card game offers quick, engaging matches. You'll be building a powerful 12-card deck to outsmart your opponents. Each game typically lasts around 3 minutes, spanning 6 exciting turns. Your primary objective is to control 2 out of the 3 unique locations on the board by the end of the match. Let's dive into the core mechanics and get you snapping. Understanding the core gameplay is simple. At the start of each turn, you'll draw 1 new card and gain 1 energy. Every card in your deck has an energy cost and a power level. You use your available energy to play cards onto one of the 3 distinct locations. Each location possesses a unique effect that can dramatically alter your strategy, so pay close attention to them. Mastering card placement is absolutely crucial for success in every match. To win a match, you must control 2 of the 3 locations on the board when the 6th and final turn concludes. The player with the highest total power at a specific location claims it. A key mechanic is snapping, which doubles the cube value of the match, significantly increasing your potential rewards. Conversely, retreating allows you to concede the game and save some of your earned cubes. Mastering when to snap or retreat is a vital strategic skill. Building an effective deck is fundamental to your success in Marvel Snap. Your deck must contain exactly 12 cards. Aim for a balanced mix of low-cost cards for early plays and higher-cost cards for powerful late-game finishers. Look for strong synergies between your cards, as these combinations can create devastating plays. Don't be afraid to experiment with various archetypes and strategies. Continuously adapt your deck to counter what your opponents are playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.